Hey guys, this is Josh. In this guide, I'll show you the fastest way to buy Sol meme coins and snipe them before they pump using the Nova trading bot on Telegram. I've packed in pro-recommended settings from seasoned traders to make your sniping game top-notch, fast, efficient, and fee-friendly. Let's dive into the setup, usage, and tweaks. Oh, almost forgot. If Nova bot doesn't click for you, I've got an alternative, BullX Neo, waiting at the end. First, grab the link from the description and launch the Nova trading bot on Telegram. Hit start, and you'll see a welcome message. This is your main dashboard for Nova. Now let's set up your wallet. Click on Wallet, and you'll see your wallet address for sending and receiving SOL. Save this somewhere safe. You'll need it to fund your trades. Time to tweak those settings. Click on the Settings button. For low-volume traders, set the slippage to 2%. Keeps fees low. High-volume traders can bump it if needed, but 2% is a sweet spot. Go to Fee, then Auto Tip, and turn it off. This slashes extra costs. Set buy and sell fees to 0.01 SOL and leave the tip on default. Click on MEV for buy and sell until they're red, disabled. This saves you a ton on fees. Trust me, it adds up. Back to the main menu. Check out the AFK feature. This is Nova's coolest trick. It automatically snipes tokens on pump.fun even when you're offline or sleeping. Click into it, adjust the settings how you like, and let it run. Next up, the copy trade feature. This one's a gem for following the big players. Click copy trade, then new task. Paste the wallet you want to track, name it, and tweak your settings. Nova will mirror their trades automatically. Super slick. If you're not vibing with Nova bot's performance, no sweat. I'll introduce BullX Neo, a web-based sniper bot that's killer for meme coins. It's fast, smooth, and might just steal the show. The access link's in the description. Start sniping with the invite link below, or try BullX Neo with our access code. Happy trading! Don't forget to like and subscribe. I've got more gold coming your way.